Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to recreate this makeup look. If you are new to my channel, then click the subscribe below, and if you already subscribed, then thank you and welcome back. So to start this look, I have already primed my eyelids with some eyeshadow primer and just to create a blank canvas so I can work onto it. Now I'm going to take a blending brush with a brown mid-tone shade, and I'm gonna apply that all over my crease area smoothly, like gently, and gonna apply till it show the exact color what I want. Now I'm gonna take a red brown tone with the same blending brush and gonna apply all over my eyelid area. So gonna just dab on my outer corner and will go to the inner corner and gonna blend it all over my eyelid and near to my crease area. Not gonna smudge all these stuff, but just gonna blend it smoothly and soft. Now I'm gonna take a flat brush and with the same eyeshadow, that is a red brown tone, I'm gonna apply that over my lower lash line. So I'll go by the outer corner till inner corner by applying slightly, like slowly, because I used to get tears. It's the hardest part for me to do. Now after completing this, I'm leaving the brow bone side, like brow bone side. I'm gonna apply some like highlighter or some shades on that area. Now I'm taking like a metallic shade, that is a golden one, and going to apply that with my fingertips, and I'll be starting with my lash line, and then I'll be applying that all over my lid areas, like slightly by dabbing it all over my lid, just little slightly and smoothly, you can say. Now we should end up with something that will look like this. Now you can apply your liner or kajal according to your wish, according to your way. So it is done.